Well, as you know, I always go overboard, and sure enough, I built another one of these Infinity Cube. So these two are almost identical. So the only difference is that on this cube here, I have the glass inside, as the guy that who designed it intended, and on this one I put it on the outside. And of course, here is my dodecahedron, and it's just breathtaking. They are all really, really nice. Now, what I did is I have these little Arduinos, which is let's see, make it sure that you can see it in the video. So this is a little Arduino, which is basically runs Arduino. Maybe on this camera will be a little bit better. And it uses USB-C port. And then this here, I just put a little pigtail on it with a quick connect. And what I can do is let me turn off this cube on the left side, and I'm going to unplug it and unplug this little pigtail that I have had there, and I'll have a different show on this one. So I'll just reconnect it. Should have probably put my head cam on, but I was lazy today. It's Saturday and I was still tired from working yesterday. Anyway, now we'll turn it on, and they're similar, but on this one here there are some gaps between the cycling colors, and so it looks different, but it's basically very similar. By the way, all these programs I wrote from ChatGPT, and it's, you know, I'm no programmer, and after trying a few things and adjusting the code a little bit, the things I did understood, I was able to make it look like that. So anybody can really do it. And on my previous video, where I have the cube, the Infinity Cube, I put in there where you can actually download it and you know, make it yourself. So hopefully you'll make yourself happy with some of this creations like I did, and I'm gonna take it Monday to the club and showed it to the guys, and you know, it's, as I said, it's a lot of fun and everybody should try it. So you all have a nice day or weekend or whatever the part of the week you are, and I'll be back again with some other creations.